Welcome, and thank you for investing your time to learn more about our bite-sized Azure series. My name is Jason Lambert. I'm Cloud Technical Consultant for Microsoft Azure at Ingram Micro. And today I'd like to discuss Azure Virtual Machines with you. So if you look at Azure Virtual Machines, it's the ability for you to create instances or templates of virtual machines up in Microsoft Azure and give you full control over those virtual machines, just as if you had those virtual machines deployed within your own infrastructure. It's also a great place to develop and test and deploy cloud applications. And the benefits are fast time to market. So whereas you traditionally would buy physical infrastructure, say from Ingram Micro, by the time you get it configured and delivered to your facility, and then you spend time to put it together and test the environment, install applications, and make sure your customer will have a successful launch of a production solution, you can deploy those similar machines within Microsoft Azure in a matter of minutes and perhaps have your customer up and running in a matter of hours or maybe a couple of days. So your time to market is much, much quicker. And then it provides access to Azure Marketplace, where you may have the ability to incorporate existing third-party solutions. So for example, if you looked at Cisco, maybe your customer is a Cisco shop and they would like to extend their reach and use Cisco technology out in Microsoft Azure through the cloud marketplace. You could deploy and launch that Cisco virtual machine instance of, say, a firewall. And so that would give the customer that breadth of reach. There's lots of other different solutions as well out in that market space. So if we look at the Azure virtual machines, we go from highest value to largest scale up. And so if you look across, there's A series. They just launched an A V2 series, which is the next generation of A. And then we've got D series. So they're 60% faster than the A series. Then we've got the DV2 that's been launched a little while ago. Again, they're even 30% faster than the initial D series machines. And F series machines are compute optimized virtual machine. They're very fast for testing and scaling. And as we move up this rank of virtual machine, the cost also will increase. You get up to the G size series machines. They're very, very fast. And then the high performance virtual machines and N series actually was just launched probably in the last month or so after this presentation was created. And they also have GPU based machines. So lots and lots of opportunity for you to use what you need to manage your customers' infrastructure. And each one of these series of machine has their own family of virtual machines, anywhere from, if you use the A series, from an A0, which is as small as 1 core and 3/4 of a gig of RAM, all the way up to, I believe you can get 32, if not 64 cores and well over 100 gigs of RAM. So hopefully that'll give you a good idea of what our Azure virtual machines are and how they work. If you'd like to learn more, we're going to give you links at the bottom of the presentation that'll tie back to some of the documentation out in Microsoft. Thanks for your time and look forward to seeing you around our journey.